Today we're walking the loop here at Jeanie and Pete Johnson Nature Preserve. Let's go. Now when you first arrive here, do not go down that gravel road. You actually want to go that way. All you got to do is walk through this area, hang a left, then you're here on the trail. Let's get going. So this is a really small preserve. I've hiked it one other time before, and while it's not that big in size, it's still a fun little loop to walk. Like right now, walking on a nice sandy trail, seeing Spanish moss, palmetto, just kind of your standard stuff you'll see in a lot of the preserves and parks down here, but it doesn't make it any less beautiful to look at. I love seeing the palmetto, I love the Spanish moss, and oh, look at this, we have a trail sign up here saying to go that way. We have a ton of Spanish moss right here, all over these trees. I just like seeing Spanish moss. I just think it's fun. A lot of palm trees back here. I just came out to a clearing and I see a sign over there that is showing me that the trail goes that way. So I'm gonna go that way. The loop is about a mile, and halfway through the loop you'll see lots of palmetto and palm trees. Part of the loop runs down the park boundary. You'll see power lines and houses in the distance. When walking this direction, the trail sign is almost hidden and can be easily missed. If we walk through here again, we have to turn left to stay on the loop. I made it back to the clearing from earlier and headed back on the trail I came in on. I hope you enjoyed our little walk here at Jeanie and Pete Johnson Nature Preserve. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and have a great day.